Hello everyone, it's Friday and you know what that means. It's now time for your bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And today we are going to take a look at Helena. This is the latest offering from BMX and it is featuring the return, the comeback of Jen Rosa after winning 1 million pesos in Rainbow Rumble or something. Along that line. Okay, so kung gusto niyo po ang review na to, pakilike na lang po ang video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And yes, this is the return of Jen Rosa. We haven't seen her in quite a while, so we are very pleased to have her back. And itong pelikula ng Viva Max na to, ng BMX, I can say that it is one of the better produced ones in a while. It has the music. It has the cast. Or, parang hindi naman ganun kasikat na cast, pero it has a wide range of cast. You had Leia Bernabe, who is also returning. Huh? Hindi siya binanggit sa introduction na yun nga si Jen Rosa babalik, pero si Leia Bernabe hindi nabanggit na babalik eh. So, we're glad. Kasi alam ko, kailan ba huli ko nakita si Leia sa Malagkit, yung sila dalawa ni Ashley Lopez. And Leia Bernabe was good. She was really good. Oh, around last year, di ba? So, I'm pretty pleased that we got this, we also got some new blood here dito sa Helena. And it is quite pleasing to say na isa to sa mga magagandang produce na pelikula ng BMX for quite some time. Okay? So, ang bida dito ay itong si Helena. Siya ay isang witch doctor, albularyo. Okay? And she is parang midwife ba yung tawag doon? Siya isa tagahilot, midwife sa mga buntis. Okay? Part of her ritual kasi is she likes to produce oil and bless oil, heat it up through segs. At conveniently, ang nakakatalik niya ay yung mga asawa ng mga dinadala niya ng anak. Okay? So may eksena dito, may first scene, it's like a ritual na may kumanyad sa kanya. It turns out asawa yun ni Leia Bernabe. Oo. And then, I think one of my favorite scenes dito, itong si Rod na pinagbibidahan ni Yoshida, Gio Yoshida, yung pretty boy sa Sky High. Ata, Sky High ba yun? Anyway, ang kanyang ang kanyang gimmick ay masakit daw yung tiyan niya at likod niya only to have free back shots dito kay Helena. Si Helena merong kaibigan eh, si Van Allen Ong, si Ananding, who is her childhood friend na parang love interest yung dating. Pero they are in this will they won't they scenario. Like I said, Helena is doing sexual pleasure, sexual activities sa mga villagers na hindi alam ng mga asawa nila. Pero in this one's instance, nahuli si Helena ng isa sa mga suki niya dahil kailangan daw hilutin. Eh ang ginawa, yung Mister Makate, I think that was John Mark Marsha. Makate yung Mister. Eh gusto niya John Mark Marsha ba yun? Dalawang Van Allen Ong dito. Oh. Dalawang Van Allen Ong doon sa credits. Anyway, John Mark Marsha. And ayun, nagtalik sila habang nasa papag yung babae, yung buntis. I think the name of the girl is, let me check again the credits. Aya Fortes. Ayun, habang nasa papag si Linda, si Aya Fortes. Ayun. Eh, kumakalampag yung papag, syempre, magigising ka dun. Kahit na buntis ka na. Meron pa nga silang proposal na pangalanan yung anak nila pag babae, Helena. Pag lalaki, Allen. Like, Allen na. Something like that. Yun. Nahuli sila sa salamin and dahil dito, nabuking si Helena na isang makating higad na pag ang manok ay binigyan daw ng palay, eh, ayun, kakang, ano, tutukain. Tapos yung mga naging, ano niya, mga naging suki niya, na komadrona, nag-back out sa kanya. She became the talk of the town ng mga chismosa. She became the most hated. And yung mga lalaking kinangkangan niya, bigla nang binalikan yung naratibo. Imbes na sila yung lumapit kay Helena, si Helena daw yung bigla na nang kakati sa kanila, nanghihigad sa kanila. And they were seduced by her. Which is, hindi naman. Okay? It come to the point that the hatred got escalated na may gumahasa kay Helena sa kanyang kubo. At ang tanging protector na dito ay itong si Nanding, si Van Allen Ong. Tapos ang nangyari, umalis sila as naging sila ni Van Allen Ong. Okay. I know that my summary doesn't do justice on how well this film is, but kung tutuusin mo, okay, this is one of the betterly produced BMX segments in history, BMX movies in history. And I would like to give it a very high rating. I would like to give it a successful return to form ni Miss Jen Rosa. Jen Rosa never disappoints. Okay? Jen Rosa always delivers. I will be ranking, okay? Tayo sa tier list. Tier list tayo. Yung mouse, maarte. Ayan, ayun si Jen Rosa sa babang baba. So, I'm gonna be giving Helena a peak ranking, one of the better movies so far. And nung nagtatalik sila ni Van Allen, oh may kanta eh. Ay, di ba may maranta ko na na-miss ko yung mga kanta nila Loki, nila because I think this is a good start. Di ko alam yung title ng kanta but I think this is a betterment for the status of DMX in the future. Okay? Okay, so yun. If you like this review, paki-like na lang po, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon. Next week on Fridays with BMX, I'm just stalling for time here. We need to meet the 8-minute mark. We are going to take a look at saan ba yun? We're going to take a look at probably Kainan. Pero inedit ko yung thumbnail niya as Kainan, as in Kainan sa Slam Dunk. Kainan. And starring Ashley Lopez, yung binanggit ko na kanina. Okay. So, yun. This is your boy, Harriet. Thank you for watching. Fridays with BMX. Peace.